you're a tradie who relies on their vehicle to get the job done, you need to upgrade your electrics with a Projecta Smart Relay. Projecta single-channel and multi-channel smart relays let you control almost endless devices on your 12-volt setup. Their simple switching function means that any device added to your system instantly becomes a smart device. You can set daily tasks and delays to take the thinking and effort out of device management. Both smart relays allow your projected 2-inch smart display to act as a 12-volt VSR, playing a simple but crucial role in your battery management. Both relays feature a low voltage disconnect setting to protect your battery from excessive discharge. The multi-channel relays can connect up to 4 devices, acting as a cost-effective switch panel, and offer features like conditional switching, essentially acting as a 3-way rocker switch. The whole system is controlled with just one Bluetooth connection from the Projecta Smart Display. You can control everything from your smart display, or even better, from one single app on your phone. Or go one step further and utilize Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. No need to add additional switch panels, especially for those vehicles with no OE switch blanks. No switching apps to control different devices. So you can spend less time thinking about your system and more on the job at hand. Projecta Smart Relays. Incredible smarts, endless possibilities.